Okay, so welcome everybody. My name is Geoffrey of Matara. Would like to welcome you all. We're all actually back in the office. We're here to work and support you in any way we possibly can. We're COVID secure. One of the things that we have done, as soon as the lockdown stopped, we invited people to just come to the garden. And we've had more people in the garden over the last 2 months than we've had in the last 20 years. And that's actually been lovely. Of people come, people that have, where they were getting married in the future and they just came with a picnic with their family, they were welcome. And that's been lovely to see. But the most extraordinary thing is how cooperative and collaborative and wonderful everybody has been. Our clients have been understanding and they've been in incredible stress. Holly has been dealing with most of the calls and she's been extraordinary. But things are gradually moving on and we will get back to normal. Weddings are an incredible part and one, if not the most important day in our life. And the last thing we want is for you to look back on your wedding day with any form of regret. So, in that respect, we will do everything we possibly can to work with you. Everybody has a different perception, have a different need, and we will address them one by one and do everything we possibly can to make that your wedding is probably more meaningful and certainly as joyful than it may have been before. And I suggest that with this in mind, we would like to invite all of you from time to time to come to a workshop where we can explore what are the values, how does that affect difference. If you could make a difference in the world, what would you want to do? What do your lives mean together? How important is the relationship? Respect and honor the fact you've come through terrible times together and probably hopefully stronger for it, because these situations do make us stronger. So all that's left is really to, one, acknowledge your incredible support and recommit our total commitment and support to you and your day, and more importantly your marriage, and be there for you. We need you to be there for us. We can only do this collaboratively as partners, which is hopefully the new opportunity. How do we move together? How do we build communities? How do we do things that are meaningful for our life, that we enrich life as a whole, and we enrich ourselves and our relationship?